Okay, so I have my Figma, my VS Code here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to create an index.js file, index.html file, pardon. All right, so I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can see my screen clearly. So I think this is okay. All right. So what I'm gonna do, the first thing we're gonna do is to structure our code. When you structure your code properly, it's very easy to write your code and make it easy to implement, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do, let's use our boilerplate, and I'll change this to Lily's. That's the name of the Lily's food app. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna do is I would section my code, right? So I'm just gonna use like a div here. So this div will take everything, right? The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add like an ed. I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna structure my code in three parts. The first part will be this navbar part, which is the header. Then this content in here will be like the main part of this. Then the last part will be this main, right? So let's do that. So I'm going to use an header tag for the nav bar, or I can use a nav. So I'm going to use nav for the top part. So I will use a lot of comments, so it's very easy to go back. Nav bar section. So the next section will be the main. So I'll call that main section. So I'll use the main tag here. Then the last section which you've seen is the footer section. Okay. So now we have three sections. Okay. Okay. Let me use footer tag here. So yeah, that's that. We've sectioned it into three parts now, and we can break it down more. For this main section, I'm going to break it down into three parts. First part will be this hero section. Second part will be the special meals section, and the third one will be this get notified section. So let's do that before we really get started. So I'm going to use three sections here. I'm going to use section tag. So you can see decide to comment this. So I'll call this hero section. Hero section. Then the second part will be meals or menu section. Yeah, you can call it anything you want anyways. So I just want something I can easily identify with. Okay. Second will be a notification section. Notification section. So I'm going to use section tag here also. Okay. Yeah. So that's that.